Hi guys, I will show you how to download the COVIDSafe app in iPhone. You just have to go to App Store and then type COVIDSafe COVIDSafe. You'll find COVIDSafe app there. Just get it down. It's in health and fitness category. So you just install that. You don't need to pay. It's a free app. So wait for a while just to get downloaded, and then after downloaded just open it. So it says let's work together to stop the spread of COVID-19. COVID-19 Safe has been developed by Australian government to help keep the community safe from the spread of coronavirus. So let's tick I want to help. Now if you go inside, it's a registration and privacy policy of COVID-19 COVIDSafe app. You can read privacy policy for COVIDSafe app. You can find all the information you need, like what personal information will be collected, why is it being collected, and when you register for COVIDSafe, what are the information you need, like mobile phone number, name, age range, and postcode. So you need to provide these information, and you can also check other information like how will personal information be collected, and also if you test positive to COVID-19, what should you do and what are the criteria. Now go back and press next. The registration consent page will open. You have to give consent that you will be providing information. Now you have to put your full name, your age range, and your postcode where you live. Then continue. Now put your phone number and you will get PIN. So just wait for a few seconds and you will get a PIN. So apply that PIN and then verify. So after that, it says that you have to open Bluetooth and allow notification. So do that and proceed. So I'm allowing now for Bluetooth and also notification. So this way it tracks if people are having coronavirus or not. So Bluetooth plays a major role, and I'm just turning on my Bluetooth. Inside there are frequently asked questions. For sure COVID safe, get the coronavirus app, latest news and updates. And if you are tested coronavirus positive, you will be asked to put your information there. But if you are not coronavirus positive, you should leave that. Check help section for further information, and thanks for watching.